They're also resistant to the rerun. They mistakenly call me Mum. I'm a tourist, tuning in at the 100 marker, turning up to the party at 5 to midnight. And then you leave home and you're like, yes, I'm gonna have sugar in my tea. And I'm gonna have chewits, even though she doesn't like me having chewits. Like the words she failed to pair, pulling commands from a brain of separated synapses. Watson! Dana! No! Uniform! On the week that Ian Paisley died. And I was just there thinking, never land. The TikTok buried in crocodile smiles refused to put down the violent hook. The leader of the gang of boys saw death as an awfully big adventure. Okay, so this is about living with housemates that are a bit crap. Get